Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Garmin Forerunner 17 not syncing with Garmin Connect app. Okay, first you can try to do the manual sync. To do it, on your watch you gotta hold the left upper button, and in here from the list you gotta select sync. But first, you gotta open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. And now we have the sync option. And then click on Start Stop button, the yellow one, to start syncing with the device. When you see the word sync complete, it means that it works. If it still doesn't, we can restart both devices, watch and our phone. To restart this watch, we gotta hold the upper left button and from the list select power off and then confirm. Wait until it completely turns off. It won't take long. And now to turn it on back again, we gotta hold the upper left button for a little bit until we see the logo. So keep holding. Now we can release. And now our device will be turned on, and after that again you can go to the manual sync. Also, on your phone, in the Garmin Connect app itself, you can, for example, manually remove the device and then reconnect to it. To do it, let me show you. Open up your Garmin Connect app, find your Forerunner, and we gotta scroll down, click on System, and in here we should have possibility to remove it. Yeah, click on those three dots and click on Remove Device. Click on Remove. Now it has now it's not connected. We can also forget this device in the Bluetooth settings. If you still see your Garmin in here, you can click the information icon. In here I have my GoPro, but it doesn't matter. And then simply click on forget this device. And then we can reconnect and everything should be okay. To do it from the level of the watch, hold middle left icon. No, not that. Hold middle left icon, go to watch settings, go to connectivity, click on phone, and click on pair phone. Now we just gotta rescan this code using our camera, or we can click on Garmin Connect, add device. Now it will scan for available devices nearby. Okay. And then click on Setup. Okay, if you have the pins, the same pins, click on Confirm. Click on Continue in App, Allow. Now we are just simply setting the watch in the app once again. It's connecting now, as you can see. And the sync has been completed. Then click on Next, Next, Sync Now, and now it has worked. Also, if it still doesn't work, you can try to update your Garmin Connect app. You can also charge your device above 20% if you have low battery, and you can also simply check also in the internet whether Garmin services are temporarily unavailable, because there's also a chance for that. But if you repeat everything that I have shown you on the video, it should successfully resync. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.